Amazon is your gateway to a world of sizzling hot gadgets that are ready to level up your tech game. From high-flying drones to immersive headphones, portable projectors to powerful scooters, and compact item finders to folding bike locks, these innovative devices offer something for everyone. So, get your cart ready and dive into the realm of cutting-edge technology. Number 12. DJI FPV Combo Goggles V2. Discover the joy of flight with DJI FPV Combo. Dive into the action with a wide 150-degree view through Advanced Goggles V2. Capture stunning 4K 60 fps videos at 120 megabytes per second. Experience the thrill of FPV with simplified controls in innovative S mode. Number 11. BioLite Alpen Glow Lantern Portable RGBW Camp Light. Illuminate your outdoor adventures with the BioLite Alpen Glow Lantern. This portable RGBW camp light offers vibrant colors and variable white light, creating the perfect ambiance for any situation. With its 250 lumens output, it provides a bright and warm glow to your campsite. Number 10. Meet the SOG Parashears Multi-Tool, your ultimate companion for precise medical tasks. Boasting 11 specialty tools and smooth cutting capabilities, it's a game-changer in vibrant red. Elevate your tool set with the versatile SOG Parashears. Number 9. Introducing the PowerLicks Handheld Milk Frother. During the initial stages of the pandemic, TikTok buzzed with the whipped coffee trend, relying on a milk frother. If you savor frothy cappuccinos and desire a compact solution, consider this handheld frother that easily fits into the smallest kitchen drawer. Number 8. Nebula Cosmos Max 4K UHD Projector. Transform your home entertainment experience with the Nebula Cosmos Max 4K UHD projector. This advanced projector delivers stunning 4K UHD visuals with HDR10 and HLG support, providing exceptional clarity and color accuracy. With a brightness of 1500 ANSI lumens, it ensures vibrant and sharp images even in well-lit environments. Number 7. Sony WH-1000XM5. Immerse yourself in pure music bliss with the Sony WH-1000XM5 premium noise-canceling headphones. These headphones feature industry-leading noise-canceling technology, ensuring a distraction-free listening experience. They offer high-resolution audio, adaptive sound control, and touch sensor controls, providing convenience and exceptional sound quality. Number 6. Chipolo OnePoint. Avoid losing your belongings with the Chipolo OnePoint Item Finder. Check its location in the app and ring it to use distance hints from pinpointing. This smart device works with millions of Android devices, part of the Find My Device network. Number 5. LeeMat Magnetic Fixer 2.0. Organize your desk with the LeeMat Magnetic Fixer 2.0 Modern Organizer. Its magnetic design is compatible with any desk pad and combines a magnetic wool organizer and desk mat in one. Number 5. YIDIA Elite Primus Scooter. Travel around town like never before with the YIDIA Elite Primus Scooter. This high-performance scooter offers impressive features, including a 1500-watt motor power output, a maximum range of 40 miles, and a payload capacity of up to 265 pounds. Number 3. Hover Camera X1. Meet the Hover Camera X1, the ultimate portable aerial camera weighing just 125 grams. This drone fits in your pocket or bag and takes your photography experience to new heights. Number 2. Discover the Dyson Pure Cool Air Purifier, renowned for its superior quality despite its higher price tag. Catching it on sale is a wise investment, especially considering its versatility. This device stands out for its efficient air purification using a HEPA filter, removing 99.97% of allergens and pollutants automatically. Number 1. Introducing the HomeMate Heated Electric Blanket. Electric blankets often go unnoticed, but in chilly autumn and winter, they become invaluable. If you frequently feel the cold, this cozy addition to your home decor will soon become your cherished favorite. So that wraps up our list for this video. Like, subscribe, and hope to see you in the next one. See ya!